Hi everyone, my name is Butter, the popcorn. I have my story collection to be shared with all my friends worldwide. Hope you like it. So let's start popping the story.
Brave little bird.
Sammy, a small sparrow, longed to fly high like the eagles. Despite his size, he bravely practiced every day until he flied high among the clouds. With determination and courage, he proved that even the smallest bird can achieve great heights. We learned three new words in the story. First one, longed, wanted very much, desired, soared, flew high in the sky. Third one, achieve, successfully reached a goal.
Hey friends, thank you for watching. If you want more such short stories, keep following us on Popcorn Short Stories and we'll get back to you with lots and lots of magical adventure. Thank you.